Hello, I'm Tammy from Turbotax with some important information about filing your taxes online. Filling out your tax return by hand is rapidly becoming a thing of the past. These days, not only can you file your return with the Internal Revenue Service online, but you can pay your taxes electronically too. There are a number of ways you can file your tax return online, some of which are free. One option is to use the IRS's Free File program. If your adjusted gross income is below a certain level, the IRS offers you access to a number of private software packages, including Turbotax, that you can use free of charge to prepare and e-file your tax return. If your adjusted gross income is too high, you can still e-file your taxes for free, but you must prepare your tax return using IRS fillable forms. The downside to using fillable forms is that you must perform all calculations yourself. The free software won't calculate it for you. As an alternative to using the Free File program, you can always use the Turbotax Federal Free Edition for simple tax returns or purchase Turbotax software online or at your local store. When you do, you'll be able to e-file your federal tax return with the IRS at no additional cost. And if you owe taxes with your return, you can make your payment at the same time you e-file your return. The IRS is set up to accept electronic payments. You can use your credit or debit card to initiate an electronic funds withdrawal, which uses your bank account and routing number to transfer the payment directly from your account to the IRS. But if you prefer to e-file your return and pay your taxes separately, you can always mail a 1040-V payment voucher with a check or money order to the IRS. If you have to file a state income tax return, you can usually do this at the same time as when you file your federal tax return with the IRS. And remember, whenever you e-file your return with the IRS, the agency will confirm receipt within approximately 72 hours. Once you receive this confirmation, you can begin checking the status of your refund using the IRS's online Where's My Refund tool. Remember, with TurboTax, you can file your taxes online over the web, download our software to your computer, or purchase a TurboTax CD. All of these options allow you to e-file your return with the IRS so you get your refund as fast as possible. For more information about this and other tax topics, visit turbotax.com.